Colon cancer, the third most common cancer for both men and women, is estimated to have 49,700 deaths this year, 2015. Although incidence rates have actually declined overall in the past decades, there still is a 1.8% increase per year among adults younger than 50. Colon cancer is associated with obesity, physical inactivity, high consumption of red meat, moderate to heavy alcohol consumption, long-term smoking, low calcium intake, and very low intake of whole grain fiber, fruit, and vegetables. Numerous natural remedies have been linked to the prevention and control of cancer. When we tell you that colon cancer is one of the most common cancer types, in both men and women, yes, this is really bad, because this terrible disease takes millions of lives around the world every year. But don't worry, because there's good news for all people concerned about this. A group of researchers have found that this powerful ingredient can kill 93% of colon cancer cells in just 2 days. Yes, we know, this is really amazing. Here's what you need to know. A recent study, conducted by a group of researchers at the Adelaide University of Australia, has discovered that lauric acid eliminates almost 93% of colon cancer cells just after 2 days of treatment. And yes, this is also very important for you to remember. Coconut oil is loaded with lauric acid. It's almost half of the content of coconut oil. And the most interesting thing is that the lauric acid contaminates the cancer cells by releasing intense oxidative stress. So, with this process, the lauric acid reduces the levels of glutathione in cancer cells very efficiently. The glutathione in cancer cells is used to protect them from oxidative stress. Many different studies, conducted by other experts, have revealed the anti-cancer properties of coconut oil as well. The coconut oil is known for its healing properties and benefits, and it's used by many people in the world for many years. You should also know that coconut oil is extremely efficient in eliminating bacteria, various diseases, parasites, fungi and harmful microorganisms. It's also extremely useful and beneficial in promoting digestion, aids liver health, improves skin health, reduces inflammation and accelerates wound healing. And yes, we can also mention that coconut oil is loaded with healthy nutrients and it can provide many health benefits, but the big corporations tend to downplay its efficacy. The medical experts say that this powerful ingredient is very useful and beneficial in preventing and fighting many different health problems, such as diabetes, osteoporosis, viral ailments, mononucleosis, hepatitis C, herpes and so forth, biliary tract infections, Crohn's sickness, and cancer. Did you know that back in the 1960s, food manufacturers wanted consumers to buy their margarines and hydrogenated oils? And, in order to do that, unfortunately, they had to discredit the products people had always used in their homes to prepare their food. The coconut oil has been accused of causing health issues, while it was its replacements that were the real culprits. Don't get us wrong, many medical experts and researchers don't think that coconut oil is the natural cure for cancer, but it's a reminder for all the scientists in the world who work in this field that Mother Nature has provided many means and tools to fight this terrible and lethal disease. And we all should invest more in the medical researches and studies of these natural remedies.